more like you feel or I'm at my prime. Everything that I've built can shut down. Kingdom can watch it. When my kingdom it was 2018. 2018 can never kingdom everything from Seveti, family. I give a family, I give a again, it's what's over you. Energy a helayo. Everything breaks usual. Then I was into depression. Then we solved depression. It was alcohol. Then we were solving alcohol. I got into drugs. And getting into drugs, I got into gangsterism. Then I gets a okay, sharp, okay, but I would like these things. These things. So the only thing that came to my mind was I must separate myself from Batoba banana banana separated. I went to a mountain, a nearby mountain, and I was in Braamfontein. In the nearby mountain, Kadula, something like that, for 7 days. Then I like the surgery said to be drugs. Then that deteriorated my health. So, Bafana very drugs on Sundays, these Nigerians, I don't know why they do that. My service was Satan. So can I give an alemopolo or okay, I must go parties at these things, but I'm excited to be from like in isolation. So can I get I am more tall, then it's actually taller, can I get Robala just more across the street. Then I take Robert more Africa, this other gentleman. But it's a fit when I'm important thing to one why Osailo Shwella. So I was like, okay, it is fine, Wabo. Or can Calamisa taxi or Kabun to seat, Wabo. Atlantola gate. Just an again taxi, Atlantola gate. So as I as unto our name to Mizamata phone. I don't know what they are phone la moi. Numbers and sometimes people pull like that. So can I phone la moi guy? So my mother came and she picked me up. So get there more kilabanali encounter with him.